Yo, haha, Magnificent.
What is good, YouTube? Your boy Magnificent back with another quick video, and oh snap, Adidas wasted no time putting a digital stamp on their shoes. So I want to say 2 days ago, right, I showed people the Nike QR code, how it works, but now Adidas kind of going to that same method. So I did a review on the Yeezy 450 Sulfurs. And what I noticed is that when you look on the inside, looking at the sizing label, it now has a standard, kind of a new serialized QR code similar to what Nike is doing. So what does that mean? That means that now Adidas is marking, the digital mark is now on their shoes. I don't know if you can see that right there. And it kind of works the same way, similar to what Nike's doing. So when you scan this QR code, right, and you'll see a demo right here, it's going to take you to the Adidas website. And QR codes, you got to keep in mind, this is an up and coming thing, because not only is it digitally kind of marking the brand for Adidas to the actual kind of tying it to a shoe so they can validate on their database whether the shoe is real or not, but you can also kind of take you to links or hyperlinks that kind of advertise, or you can kind of check out some additional information about the shoe, because I think this was kind of like it was made with recycled materials, but they're kind of doing it that way. So look for more companies to kind of integrate that in their QR codes. It's not just taking you to a link to the website, it's taking you to a link that has additional information, but it's also marking their digital print. Now, what I'm going to say is, this means for anybody listen, do not take a picture of the QR code, slap it on another shoe or replica, and think that you're going to get away with it. You're not. Because Adidas, again, has that database to verify whether it's authenticated or not. Basically, if it was made from them, they have the machine to put this QR code on their stamps, right? And that digital QR, that digital scan, that digital print is made from the actual machine. It's not made from just a simple take a picture and copy it to a piece of paper. No. Each digital print is on there. So just keep that in mind. This basically just changed the game. With this serialized code now on Adidas shoes, it changes the game. Counterfeiting is pretty much, you see what's going on with StockX and Nike, right? You ever wonder how Nike was able to buy so many pairs and sell so many pairs and figure out which ones were actually fake and which ones were actually real? You're seeing it right here. Now that Adidas is doing it more on the newer shoes that they're releasing, whew, those counterfeit days are over. It's over. But you know, your boy Magnificent, I kind of wanted to show people because I had a feeling Adidas was going to do it. It's only a matter of time, in my opinion, before Puma start working on QR codes that are designed this way. Again, they can also promote, right? But they can also secure a company's marked identity to the actual item, right? So it kind of tells you, think of it like an imprint, right? Like a horse gets stamped. That's kind of the same thing what's happening here. You can't really duplicate it unless you have the original machine where these are manufactured from. And it kind of gives a timestamp, a geographical location of where the actual stamp happened, if that makes sense. So basically, whenever you take this, you put it in your phone and it takes you to the hyperlink, it is feeding them your data from their database. Not everything and anything about your computer, but the basics. So think of a cookie. It's taking the make and model or whatever of device you're using to access this QR code that takes you to their website. So it kind of says, okay, now we have in our database that we marked it from where this was created, right? Where this shoe was created. We marked it in our database. So now we know that the next hop would be from wherever your device scanned it to. So it kind of keeps track of what's going on. And if this particular code or this particular QR code gets scanned multiple times, something I call my mouth. If it gets scanned multiple times, right, meaning you take a picture and you're trying to make duplicates and stuff like that, and all of a sudden it sees geographical locations all over the world, it knows that the original one is being copied. So that's why I said copy and pasting and putting this on multiple shoes is to me pointless, because it's not going to have the original marked digital code that's on there. It only comes from the original machine. So I hope people understand that before they just say, all you got to do is copy and paste. No, it's not that simple. Trust me. Your boy Magnificent Man. Comment below. Let me know what you think of the new Adidas QR code that they're slapping on their shoes, because it's a thing of the future right now. I am out, man, and you guys stay blessed.